Make a great choice today with the 2018 V90. The Volvo V90 is a mid-sized luxury executive car that epitomizes the safety and comfort of the Swedish automaker. The V90 wagon design easily carried a family of 4 with plenty of room in the back for whatever you want to bring along. Volvos have always had a reputation for building safety-inspired and long-lasting vehicles. The V90 wagon is proof of that and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise control, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.